Why 95% of people will never build real wealth and how to be in the 5%. Stop. Before you scroll past this, hear me out. 2 people. Same job. Same salary. Same city. 30 years later, one retires with 8. Here is the truth nobody says out loud. Most people are not broke because they earn too little. They are broke because of habits they never questioned. Paycheck arrives, rent gone, car payment gone. Food, before index funds, before strategies, before anything else, one thing must change first. How you think about money. The 95% say the same thing forever. I will start when things settle down, when I earn more. 5 habits. That is genuinely all that separates them. 1. Automate investing before spending anything else. 2. Spend consistently less than you earn every single month. 3. Invest your money. Here is the math that will genuinely change how you think. Person A invests $300 monthly starting at 25, retires at 60 with $700,000, contributing only $126,000 themselves. Smart people stay broke too. Here is exactly why. Trap 1. Wanting rewards now instead of building for later. Trap 2. Spending to impress people who genuinely do not care. No more theory. Here is exactly what to do this week. First, build 3 to 6 months' expenses in a high-yield savings account, your financial foundation. Second, open a brokerage account today. Here is the final truth about the 5%. They are not special, not lucky. They did not start with more money than you. They simply started and stayed consistent. Every month you wait is compound growth you lose permanently. The 95% keep waiting for the perfect moment. The 5% know. The perfect moment is always right now. Subscribe for weekly wealth-building videos and comment below. Are you ready to stop waiting and finally join the 5%?